Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks kicked off the week on a mixed note. The Nasdaq was the only major to eke out a gain, adding 0.2%. The S&P 500 was unchanged. Meanwhile, the Dow dropped 140 points, or less than 0.5%, and the Russell lost almost 1%. Technology led the way higher, rallying almost 1%. Energy tacked on a 0.5% gain. As for the laggards, real estate and communications each lost 0.6%. Consumer staples and industrials closed down a little less than that. Let's now take a look at some stocks on the move. Nvidia closed up 4%, shaking off news of shipping delays for its newest AI chip. Reports say the company's Blackwell B200 chip had a design flaw and would push back its debut 3 months. Nvidia did not comment on the report, but said it will ramp up production of the chips in the second half of this year. SBUX, meanwhile, rose more than 2.5% on news of activist investor activity. The Wall Street Journal reports that Starboard Value has taken a stake in the coffee chain, though the actual stake was not disclosed. This comes after Starbucks said Elliott Investment Management bought a stake in the company during its latest earnings call. Starbucks is reportedly nearing a deal to give a board seat to Elliott. Shares have been under pressure this year, down almost 20%. JetBlue took a nosedive today, plummeting about 21%. The airline revealed its plans to raise nearly $3 billion in debt via loyalty notes, using its loyalty programs as collateral. The airline also announced a $400 million convertible senior notes offering. This news caused rating agencies S&P and Moody's to downgrade JetBlue. Let's take a look at what's on tap for tomorrow. We'll get earnings from Home Depot and On Holding before the opening bell. On the economic calendar, we'll get the latest read on producer prices with July's PPI print due before the market opens. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.